In this video, I'm going to show you how to set price alerts in cTrader Mobile. Now, the easiest way to do this is to open the app. Then you want to go to the bottom right where it says My cTrader. And then from here, you want to scroll down a bit. And then, as you can see here in the middle, it's going to say Price Alerts. So you want to tap on Price Alerts over here in the middle. And as you can see, currently my list is empty. So I'm going to tap on Create at the bottom right. And then from here, as you can see, you can add a new price alert. The very first thing you have to, of course, select is the symbol. So I'm going to tap on symbol over here, and I'm going to create this one for Euro USD. Then over here, it's going to notify me when, and you can go and select either bid or ask. It's completely up to you. I'm going to do, for example, ask over here, and then you can do is higher or lower. Again, it's completely up to you. I'm just going to put it as higher. So when ask is higher or equal to, and then you have to put in your number. So I'll leave this number over here, and then you can show a pop-up like this if you want to, and you can also add a comment at the bottom if it's relevant, and then simply tap on create at the bottom, and there we go. It's going to create a price alert for you. Now, of course, if you want to add a new one, repeat the same process. Tap on create bottom right, fill out all the information, and then tap on create at the bottom, and you are good to go. So that's how to set a price alert. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.